the Wilson NCAA Composite Football. This ball is a quality ball and great for flag football. It's produced under the same conditions and manufacturing process as the game balls. This production leads to a high-quality football that's easy to catch and throw. The major difference is the Wilson NCAA Composite Football is made of a composite material instead of leather like the Wilson GST official game ball and the Wilson GST practice football. While leather is a much better material for footballs, it doesn't handle water well. Many leather footballs can be ruined when they're used in a wet game. In addition, during the game, the balls get very slick and hard to hold. This is why many programs across the country use composite footballs when there is a threat of rain. While the composite balls aren't as nice to throw and catch, they handle the rain much better and won't be ruined when they get wet in flag football. And that is if the game isn't canceled.